You can go in there now.
You can sit.
So,
Do you know why you're here? My office?
Sir, yes, sir, I have an idea.
Whoa. Let's say you have no idea and leave it at that, okay? No idea. Zip. None. If you had an idea of what we do, we would not be good at what we do. We would. Are you calling us?
Being a student's Dignam has a style of his own. I'm afraid we all have to deal with it.
Thought it was a good idea to cheat on the midterm. Tell me how to calculate the gross margin on an income statement, genius.
It's sales minus expenses.
Gross margin is sales minus cost of goods sold, you moron. Looks like you didn't study, you little snake.
That's right. I remember Professor Lowry taught me.
Good. So you cheated?
No, I did not.
So you're telling me you didn't cheat at all. You answered every question right on the exam, but didn't show any fucking work on the test packet. I got a question. How bad at fucking lying are you? Can you tell us the difference between LIFO and FIFO?
LIFO starts with an L.
That's not what we're looking for. LIFO is when you count inventory last in, first out. FIFO is another way to count inventory costs. It requires the cost of the items purchased first to be assigned to cost of goods sold.
Don't forget weighted average.
The average is calculated by averaging cost per unit and then multiplying by number of units sold. The dean and I think maybe you need a change of scenery after your academic performance lately.
GPA shows you haven't been hitting the books too hard. Looks like you've been out partying with your chowderhead friends down in Southwest.
Every weekend, sir.
We're transferring you to Sylvan.
I'm a sailor, hey, and I lost my leg. Climbing up the top sails, I lost my leg.
Sorry I'm late.
Staff Sergeant Dignam is our liaison to the Securities Exchange Commission. Their work here is extensive. He's here to give us his report. Sergeant Dignam.
Okay, we have a lot of work to do. Unfortunately, our income statement had more fucking holes than Goldman Sachs.
Yourself.
I'm tired from fucking matching.
How's your mother?
She's tired from fucking my father. Good. Today, girls, what I have for you is uncollected accounts. Somebody, as you may already know, is not going to be able to pay their accounts receivable for the microprocessors they purchased. These little pieces of plastic are shipped FOB destination. Now get this. We got a guy who hasn't paid for shipping, hasn't paid fucking accounts receivable, so we're going to put some of his account under allowance for doubtful accounts. This guy got into an accounting class at UMass Amherst, which happens to be taught by...
Kathy Lowry?
Fucking genius, huh? Who taught you accounting, dickhead?
Hey, this guy, he still hasn't done any payments for his FOB destination.
We're not here to solve the case of the FOB destination. We're here to figure out the allowance for doubtful accounts.
We should expect to not receive 15% of the accounts receivable that we will have to credit as allowance for doubtful accounts.
More informed if Kathy made her due dates more clear to the rest of the class.
Without asking for details, could you teach me how to balance?
How to balance. Teach me how to balance. Teach me how to balance. Teach me how to balance.
Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe yourself. Kathy's series on students is like mushrooms. Feed them shit and keep them in the dark. You girls have a nice day.